Now that we've created our PM master, it's time to schedule it. So we're going to schedule this annual chiller maintenance. Remember, there's two targets or assets associated with it. We're bottle fillers, actually two chillers, okay? And we've got our task and labor and we've got our parts. So we're going to go back to our work order master list and schedule our PM master. So I can pull it up. Here's our annual chiller maintenance work order that we've created. And there's a plus sign to the left. I'm going to click on that, and there's no schedule under it, as you can see. I'm going to go to the new icon, and we're going to pick a start date for this. Okay, it can be today if you wanted it to be, but typically it's going to be out in the future. So I can select the month. I'm going to say this needs to be done in August. And I'm going to do it, well, we don't work on the first, but I'm going to do it on the first of the month, and I'm going to do it on every first calendar day from now on. And I'm going to do it annually, okay? So I'm going to do it every year. I'm going to do it in August on the first day. Remember, I selected August 1st, so this will actually initiate on that day. And because it's an annual and I've got two of those work orders to do, I'm going to give my technician 15 working days to get it done. All right. So I'm happy with that schedule. I'm going to save it. And when I do, the next thing that I'm going to do is check my preview here to see what's going to happen. So the first was on a Sunday, and I've got the Saturday and Sunday as non-working days. In the US, we have clients overseas that have Friday and Saturday as non-working days. Again, you can schedule PMs, schedule anything, corrective work orders to activate on those days if you want. But in this case, it's going to defer to the second to activate, just giving them an extra day to get that one done. Okay, if we look at next year in August 1st, we'll look at 2022 instead of 2021, you'll see that it's a Monday and it'll activate on the 1st right away. And if we go forward years and so forth, it'll go Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. So that's an annual schedule. And I'm done. I'm happy with it. If I needed to do that particular, if that was a monthly I was scheduling, for example, let me just go to the schedules and look at them. I'm not going to create another schedule, but I can do a daily schedule. In a daily schedule, I could pick today to start, or I could pick a future date again. When I'm scheduling daily, this could be every 30 days, it could be every day, it could be every 7 days. Just because it says daily, it doesn't mean that I have to do it every day. So let's say I want to do something every 90 days. And in using the daily here, one of the things that I'm able to do is check this box of scheduling on completion, okay? When I do that and I give my technician, let's say 5 days to get this done every 90 days, what's going to happen is based on the actual completion date, it will schedule it for another 90 days. This is like an oil change, okay? You come in 1,000 miles late for a 3,000 mile oil change, it's not going to schedule at 6,000, it'll schedule at 7,000, okay? We can schedule weekly. We can pick a starting date, and this could be every week. It could be every 4 weeks. It could be every 20 weeks. It makes no difference. And I can pick a specific day of the week. And again, give my technician some time to get it done. On the monthly, the same thing is true. I can do this every month. I can do it every 12 months. And when I use monthly, I can pick a day of the month. So this could be the 1st, it could be the 15th, it could be whatever day I pick, or I could pick that I want to do it on the first Monday and fourth Friday of the month. Okay, in this case, it would schedule it every 12 months on the first Monday and the fourth Friday of the month. And again, giving my technician 5 days or whatever number of days I put in here to schedule the activity. There is one other tab. If we have something that's runtime, we're going to record the hours or miles or something like that. That tab will activate for those assets that are associated with runtime, and we'll give you a different video on how to schedule runtime. So that's it. It's very simple, very straightforward. And if you have any questions, of course, you're always free to dial 262-241-3845, ask for support, and we'll be happy to help you.